The tube lifter JumboErgo allows ergonomic handling of heavy and bulky loads without putting strain on the worker's back. The JumboErgo is used mainly for the loading or unloading of machines and for moving and stacking in different logistic areas. Wooden panels, cardboard boxes, solar modules, and many more can be moved carefully and precisely. After turning on the main switch, the vacuum generator starts running and the system is ready to use. Once the lifting device has been lowered onto the workpiece, the suction cups automatically grip and the device is ready to lift. The control handle is equipped with a twist grip. It is designed to operate like a motorcycle throttle. As the operator rotates the grip away from himself, vacuum is generated. The system reacts immediately to the operator input. The lift tube contracts and the workpiece is lifted. When twisting the grip in the opposite direction, air is introduced and weakens the vacuum. The load can be set down carefully and precisely. To release the workpiece, the grip has to be deliberately twisted beyond the stop position. The JumboErgo can optionally be equipped with a radio remote control. That way, the operator can turn the vacuum generator on and off directly at the handle. Furthermore, the JumboErgo can optionally be equipped with a quick change system. This system enables the vacuum gripper to be changed without tools in just a few steps. Through a variety of grippers, the tube lifter can be adapted to the current workpiece, whether cardboard boxes, pallets, cabinets, or sheets. In addition to the standard grippers, Schmalz offers specially designed gripping solutions for complex workpieces. The length of the operator handle ensures a safe distance from the load and allows oversized sheets to be moved. The JumboErgo can optionally be equipped with a pneumatically powered 90-degree tilt function. It permits the safe swiveling of loads up to 120 kilograms. Further accessories, such as the pivoting operator handle for high stack heights, the rotation unit for rotating workpieces independently of the operator handle, and the venting unit for a quick release of workpieces, make the Jumbo an even more versatile handling system. The JumboErgo is designed for different load ranges up to 300 kilograms. Schmalz offers crane systems that are configured specifically to match the lift capacity. With column-mounted jib cranes, wall-mounted jib cranes, and overhead bridge crane systems, Schmalz offers the optimum solution for all applications. Their excellent weight-load ratio make these cranes exceptionally easy to operate. At Schmalz, ergonomics and safety have high priority when developing a tube lifter. Users benefit from lifting aids that provide a comfortable working environment and support healthy work routines. Also, tube lifters contribute to higher productivity. The vacuum lifters are especially optimized for the requirements of an application. Experienced system consultants work closely together with the customer.